So let's shift gears a little bit and talk about energy psychology. And I want to tell you a bit of a story about just how cool this stuff is. And this story goes back a number of years. It starts originally with the Rwandan genocide many years ago. And then 12 years later, a group of therapists, part of the Thoughtful Therapy Association, went to the Shaddai Orphanage, and they worked with 50 kids who still had post-traumatic stress disorder 12 years after the genocide. So you might ask yourself, okay, if you were going to go work with kids who had horrific experiences like that, just how many sessions do you think you'd want to use with these kids? 20, 12, 10, 6? Well, these guys did one session. Gave them a single session of thought field therapy. And just to give you a sense, and we'll go more into this later, but what thought field therapy involves is somebody thinking about a traumatic event, and then the client, as they're thinking about it, you can see me, will be tapping on acupuncture points there while they're thinking about what's going on. You'd be doing something like that. More little things, but that's basically it. You think about the problem, you tap on these points.